Hi everyone. So it's official on NB site that provisional date for NEET PG 25 is 15 June 25, exactly 6 months from now. And this video is a perfect timing for you all because it will definitely save all the time which has passed till now and will definitely give you some extra edge. I am saying this because I myself did the same. After November INS set and Diwali, I changed all the strategy all the way and gave my 100% in a different way with a different strategy, and I'm going to share this with you all. So let's just talk about my strategy which I was following for my NEET PG 24 in detail, जिसको इतिहास में लिखा जाना चाहिए, for checking all your patience, your mental strength, your discipline, and especially the deal was take your preparation till the last day as said by Dr. Praveen sir. So this video is all about how to do your first read and then your revision in between and last 10 days revision and how to make your chote copy and your short notes for those 10 days and your wall and how to use rapid revision and of course BTR. So for handling these 19 subjects, I myself divided them into 4 categories, and these categories are Wafadar subjects, Bewafa subjects, cute subjects and smart study subjects. So, Wafadar subjects are biochemistry, physio, path, pharma, micro, and anatomy. I know this is the toughest one, but don't worry, I will definitely share the trick how to study anatomy. And Bewafa subjects are surgery, obs gynae, PSM, pedia plus minus, and cute subjects are derma, radio, FMT, anesthesia, ortho, psyche, ENT and ophtha plus minus, and smart studies subject is medicine. So before going ahead, let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Gitanjali Verma, an MBBS graduate from VCSG Government Medical College, secured a rank of 7720 in NEET PG 24, and this rank is an improvement from a 54,000 NEET 23 in my internship to 19,000 in November INSET to 9,000 in May INSET. So nobody has asked me to make this video. Also, whatever I say, please modify it according to your suitability because strategy is something which is very subjective. So for pathology, I refer Preeti Sharma ma'am's rapid revision and HIMAT by Dr. Zainab Vora ma'am in BTR and concised all these notes into 30 pages छोटी copy. In microbiology, for bacterio, parasito, and myco, I referred Dam's notes, and for viro and general, I referred Preeti Sharma ma'am's rapid revision and compiled everything into BTR and made classification flowcharts for bacterio, viro, and parasito and pasted them on wall. And for the last day, I made last minute culture notes. For pharma, I used GRG Sir notes and compiled every single unit on one page. And for antimicrobials, I used BTR flowcharts. And for general pharma, I made my handmade notes by compiling everything in few pages. And there's a video available on YouTube um, as a physics wala short pharma by Ankit sir. It's extremely helpful. For biochemistry, the best place is Zenabura ma'am's BTR, and I compiled Marrow Rapid Revision BTR also into BTR and compiled previous year questions, and Mega BTR by Zenabura ma'am is also very high yield. For physio, compiled Marrow main notes into BTR and made general physio short notes. For anatomy, I used Marrow Rapid Revision combined with previous year question and BTR and Ashwini sir's YouTube video and compiled everything into 40 pages short notes and daily Ashwini sir's telegram quizzes. For surgery, I referred Rohan sir's rapid revision and compiled everything into BTR except for GIT, I made tables. For OBGY, I referred one shot by Sakshi ma'am and BTR and Raina ma'am's YouTube video, and for the last day, I made 20 pages next step short notes. For PSM, DAMS made notes, BTR and Daily Kashish sir's Telegram quizzes, and for last time, formula short notes and vaccine and other frequently asked table on wall. PDA, Marrow rapid revision and compiled everything into BTR, and for last days 10 pages short notes. For Dharma, DAMS made notes and compiled everything to BTR and made 10 sticky notes on wall. For Psyche, DAMS made notes, compiled everything into BTR and referred DVT plus previous year tables. For Anesthesia, Prep Ladder rapid revision compiled into BTR and last 8 pages short notes. For ENT, Marrow made notes, compiled everything into BTR and made 8 pages short notes from previous year question tables. For FMT, Prep Ladder rapid revision compiled everything into BTR and made 8 pages short notes. For Ophtha, Marrow rapid revision and compiled everything into BTR and made 20 pages short notes based on previous year question tables. For Ortho, Marrow rapid revision compiled into BTR and then 10 pages short notes. For Zanib ma'am, rapid revision. For Medicine, DAMS main notes compiled into BTR. खाली BTR भी more than enough. मैम ने medicine best resource to study medicine. उसके बाद आती है medicine wall, जिसमें each and every unit compiled into 6 to 10 sticky notes. घूम फिर कर सेम क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. आप प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन से इसका अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस बार बार आते हैं. वही बस 6 से 7 sticky notes, more than enough. In my next video, I will share how to make these last 10 days sticky notes and short notes. Also, I did not mention with each subject, but it's a mandatory thing to do previous year question with your first read only and add them in your notes. For last 10 days short notes, never make them with your first read, always make them in your last, second or third read. One thing I want to clear, that motive is not at all that you change all your resources after watching this video. Please continue with your main resources and master it, as photographic memory is the key. I myself just added BTR as something new. Baki used rapid revision of same teachers as of my main notes. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जो बनता है, that why this video when you did not even get a 3-digit rank? So the thing is, I am proud of myself because I gave my best attempt and I've come a long way from Hindi medium to BMS dropout to MBBS to this rank by showing up every day possible and in the best way possible in my vision, and I am proud of my journey irrespective of the result. And question number 2 is why to follow me. So answer to this question is, I started my preparation from internship only. Before that, I never did any MCQ at all because I was dedicated in completing all those videos and giving all those theory exams and all. So in internship only, I started MCQ practice and reading my first and second year main notes, जो मेरे पास थे भी नहीं. तो मैंने इंटर्नशिप में ही पहले तो नोट्स बनाए and I went a wrong way by reading all those main notes completely from cover to cover, and up till November INSET I was figuring out whatever mistakes I am doing I'm not going to do after November INSET. So I was ready with a perfect roadmap in my brain after November INSET. The question number 3 is why I'm putting this video in so much detail. It's because I want to help my juniors, my batchmates and my seniors in whatever sense possible from my side, as I was also struggling in my preparation days and got some help from here and there, and I believe in balance, and I think whenever possible you should always stand on the giver side. For previous year question and GTs I was using Marrow. For rapid revision and concising my material, I used Marrow rapid revision and combined all them into BTR book only. For test and discussion, I used Zenobora ma'am's E&Ds, Reason being, ma'am covers all the previous year questions, beautiful clinical questions in a very less time, and her ENDs are really high yield and easily doable because she covers 2 to 3 subjects in a one go in just 3 to 4 hours, which are easily doable. And the sad part is, I came to know about BTR in October and started doing ENDs in March. So I suggest please use them earlier. And last thing which I want to say is that please have that passion, that hunger of learning new things daily, because this is for the last time when you're studying these 19 subjects all together in a very short span, and this will definitely stay in your memory for a long time because you will revise them again and again, and this will definitely help you in your residency and your clinical practice. So bye bye everyone, good luck.